Hey guys, this is my 2008 Toyota Tundra. I just picked this up just recently. It's got quite a few miles on it. It's nice on the inside. It's a really nice pickup. Got like 220,000 miles, but it is a Toyota, so hopefully I'll get a little bit more life out of it. Problem I've got is my wife has a hard time getting into it because it is pretty tall. It's only two-wheel drive, but yet it's as tall as a four-wheel drive. So today I'm going to be putting on some running boards on it. I picked them up on Amazon. I'll put a link to it in the video description. I could have went with some better ones, came down a little bit lower and all that, but I think for the looks of the pickup, I think it'll be just fine. But I'm going to go ahead and get them put on here and see how she looks. So the cool thing about this kit, it comes with everything marked. So you got passenger side rear, passenger side center, passenger side front, and it comes with the stainless steel running boards. Now, full disclosure, I already set that one up, so we went through the learning curve on it. So I'm going to set the camera up underneath and let's dive into how to install it. And this is going to be poor lighting, I can tell you that already, but this right here is where we're going to start. This is going to be our number one position. And then we will use our number two position. We skip the third and we go to the fourth. And what's nice is everything's factory made, so it'll just bolt right up. You don't have to drill any holes, you don't have to do any custom work to it. So let's go ahead and get going. Got one more bracket and then we'll be ready to start mounting the other part. Another thing is when you're doing this, do not tighten everything up all the way. You want to leave it loose so that if you need to wiggle things around, you can. So this mount right up here. This is the only one of all these where the mounting point's a little bit different. You got it up here compared to everything here on the side. I apologize for the camera angle. You're not going to be able to see me put this last one in, I don't think. There we go. So we're going to finger tight those things and then we'll get on to the other part. Okay, so now we're mounting the running board onto it. Now, this is where I had a little problem with the other side. They actually mismarked the package and they had this marked as being the driver's side, and it's not, it's the passenger side. So all I had to do just take a flip them to the other side. And the way you can tell it, I'm gonna get off my creeper here a little bit. Don't get fat. See the mounting points underneath here? You want it so this one right here and the one below it, needs to be the one closest to the truck cab. As long as this is the one closest to the truck cab, you know you've got the right one, the right position. And of course, the two mounting points toward the front of the truck are going to be closer together than the one that's back there. So that's another way you can tell on this one that you got in the right position. So now next thing you got to do is get the bolts put into this. Just do them finger tight till we make sure everything's right, and then we'll tighten everything up. By the way guys, whenever you're removing those bolts from underneath it, that's going to be a 12mm. And whenever you're putting the new hardware in that comes with the running boards, they're going to be 13mm. And that's all you'll need to do the work. And there it is. It takes probably about 20-30 minutes per side to do. I mean, once you get the first side down, the second side's a breeze. But I mean, sturdy. I mean, that thing barely wiggles. I'm probably about 280 right now, but yeah, it definitely makes life a lot easier getting into it. That's for sure. I think she'll be able to get in and out of that pretty easy. Anyway, guys, there we have it. That's how you install these running boards. Once again, I'll put a link to them in the video description. And just remember, all you need is a 12mm and a 13mm socket. You'll be good to go on it. Hardware's all included. Didn't have to drill, didn't have to tap nothing. It's just a really easy install. But guys, if you like this kind of video, please give it a thumbs up. I like to get into more than just 3D printing, so thank you very much for watching. Take care, and I'll catch you in the next one.